Another negative trait of the soul is when a person believes they require patience, when in fact, they should be showing gratitude to Allah, the Exalted. When a person faces a difficulty, they should remember the countless blessings they still possess. And they should remember that Allah, the Exalted, only decrees the best for His servants, even if they do not see the wisdoms behind the choice immediately. Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 216.
But perhaps you hate a thing and it is good for you, and perhaps you love a thing and it is bad for you. And Allah knows while you know not.
These truths will inspire one to show gratitude, even in difficult situations where most people would expect one to demonstrate patience. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.